Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we implemented the generic repository pattern to avoid repeating CRUD operation. Today we are taking it one step further by introducing the unit of work pattern in clean architecture. Let's get into it. Unit of work is a design pattern that coordinates the work of multiple repositories by treating a set of operations as a single transaction. If we talk about the benefits, we can keep all the repository in one centralized class, and it helps you better control on transaction. It also provides cleaner and testable service. Now let's jump into the code. I will go step by step and keep speed up. So we start from interface. First we create an interface name IUnitOfWork. Inside there we need to call our I product repository, make it only getter, remove the repository, then go to so our I repository product have all method. So that's why I just call in a one central place. Then call create a class name unit of work. Inherit I unit of work. No, just make it the interface. And then here we need to call public read only a application db context make the constructor, and here we need to remove this, make it the get and private set. Okay, inside there we need to call application db context. We don't need to call in our I repository because we already the repository already there. Okay, and then you need to remove this product will be new product underscore db product. So this is our repository is completed. So now just refactor this, go and top, remove this space, should be, and save. Now our implementation is completed, and now we need to register this iUnit in our program file. Go there, API, program file, remove this two and make it save. And now go to the controller and just private read only iUnit of work. And also here we need to specify iUnit unit of work, comma, and this. Don't need this, remove this, and also remove this, save, and go to repository. What we have a name dot product dot get all a thing. Yeah, get all a thing. I is coming. Final does not exist in a current. Unit of work dot product dot get all product async, async, and what else? So it will be product, not null, anyway. Okay, and then save, and also the same thing we need to use in our what is dot get by id dot get by id. Where is the one? Get product by id, and next what else? Product dot add product, and what else? Save product dot I think dot save save changes there already. Save we dot update product, and now save changes. Just copy and paste. Save. And then now build. And run your application. Just give me 2 minutes. My system is so slow. I don't know what happened today, but so now next we need to test our controller in Postman. So just after running, we will test. So our port is localhost 5001. Now we need to open the Postman and test our controller. Now I open a Postman and now test our application. Let's see first endpoint product, which you will get all products. Getting all products, product by ID, create product, product number 9, update the product number 9, two o four no content, just check. Product number 9 is going to be update, now delete. 9 and delete. 204 no content form, it means it's deleted. just make sure you get the error because we cannot found product with id 9 not found. And yeah, get all products, so we have only three products. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Also, I'm active on LinkedIn where I share .NET tips and project insight. Follow me there, link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.